Nalanda was an ancient Mahavihara, a revered Buddhist monastery which also served as a renowned center of learning in the ancient kingdom of Magadha. In the 3rd century BC, a stupa was built by the great Mauryan emperor Ashoka in the honor of Sariputra, one of the two chief disciples of Gautama Buddha. The Mahavihara was later founded by the Kumaragupta I of the Gupta dynasty in 5th century CE. It was patronized by various rulers including King Harshvardhan and the Pala rulers of Bengal. Mahavihar means great monastery. But what is the meaning of this word, Nalanda? As per our guide, Kedarnathji says,
नालम पद्य फूल जो नॉलेज का प्रतीक माना जाता है।
Na Alamda means never ending knowledge.
मैडम क्वेन सॉन्ग ने क्या लिखा था? एडमिशन का सिस्टम वेरी हार्ड था। नियर द मेन गेट प्री गेट मैन होता था,
अच्छा,
जो मिला नहीं, और उसका दर्जा द्वार पंडित का था, चौकीदार का नहीं।
Student dormitories or hostels built during Gupta period.
अच्छा, अभी देखिए ये छत हो गया, ये गुप्त का है ना।
I couldn't believe that I am standing in Nalanda Mahavihar, one of the most important place in ancient India.
तो बुद्ध ने कहा कि हम जब चले जाएंगे दुनिया से तो मेरी मूर्ति मत बनाना, पूजा नहीं करना। वो चले गए, टूटने लगा बौद्ध धर्म। कश्मीर में कनिष्क राजा प्रपोजल रखा, वो कनिष्क कि भगवान तो अब है नहीं, बौद्ध धर्म टूट रहा है। वहीं पास हुआ कि मूर्ति बनाई जाए और पूजा लागू किया जाए तो बौद्ध धर्म बचेगा।
Many of the names listed by Huensang in his travelogue, those who developed the overall philosophy of Mahayana, all students at Nalanda studied Mahayana as well as the text of the 18 Hinayana sects of Buddhism. The highly formalized methods of Buddhist studies attracted scholars and students from near and far, with some traveling from Tibet, China, Korea, and Central Asia. Much of our knowledge of Nalanda comes from the writings of pilgrim monks from Asia, such as Huensang, who traveled to the Mahavihar in the 7th century CE. হ্যাঁ, এক একটা হোস্টেলে মানে 30 জন করে ছাত্র থাকে। There used to be a statue of Lord Buddha here, so that the students would go inside with his blessings.
और बाकी सब को अभी किसी को भारत सरकार से आदेश।
আমরা এখন হর্ষবর্ধনের ওখানে চলে এসেছি না? হ্যাঁ। The structure was rebuilt by Harshvardhan, and above the holes it was by Pala rulers.
माने कोई राजा किसी के जिनिस को, किसी के इतिहास को मिटाया नहीं, उसी को।
The kings had the reciprocal admiration for each other. All of them followed the structure created by their previous king.
ये हो गया क्लास। टीचर ऊपर, छात्र। अब बताइए टीचर वहाँ बैठे होंगे, उस समय होगा या नहीं? नहीं, किसने बनाया होगा? हेलो, किसने बनाया?
There was hundreds of stone dais like this. Sitting here, the professors used to impart knowledge to the students.
लेवल में हर्ष और पाल नहीं होगा।
सीरिया से उतरते हैं यही सीरिया जो नहीं मेरा नाम
এটাও ইটগুলো নতুনই কনস্ট্রাকশন
না না এটা পুরনো এইটা
साल पुराना गोदाम है।
আচ্ছা এই সব পুরানো
हाँ, ये हर्ष
এইটা পুরনো দেখো না
Granary of 7th century, during the period of Harshvardhan. হ্যাঁ, শিলভদ্রই তো তখন প্রধান আচার্য ছিলেন হিউয়েনসাং যখন এলেন। Nalanda was attacked by the invaders 3 times, by the Huns, by the Gauras, and finally Bakhtiar Khilji, who brought about its total destruction. Thousands of monks were killed. The great library named Dharmaganj was put on fire, and its massive, precious collection of books and manuscripts continued to burn for months. The pyramid-shaped stupa was built by Ashoka. The stupa contains the bones of Sariputra. The prayer halls, chaityas, arranged to the west of the passage and the east were the remain of the Bihar. Nalanda was completely abandoned and forgotten after being destroyed by Bakhtiar Khilji. British engineer and founder of Archaeological Survey of India, Sir Alexander Cunningham, surveyed and provided a complete description of the site in 1860. Systematic excavation was started around 1917 by the Archaeological Survey of India. It is not possible to say everything about Nalanda in such a short time. Please come and feel deeply what the ruins wants to say.